Right. Hey guys, Facebook and YouTube. I'm also thinking of uploading this to YouTube as well. Anyway, I'll be unboxing this new PLDT Fibr modem for today. Hindi pa kami fiber ready, but PLDT sent us this new modem kahit hindi pa kami pwede mag-sign up. And I'll also be doing a few reviews sa performance ng PLDT so far. As we all know, matagal silang nawalan ng ahente, and kanina tumawag ako sa technical support, and I would say na nag-improve naman sila. Kanina nag-assume na ako na fiber na kami, but unfortunately hindi pa pala kami fiber ready. Kala ko nawalan kami ng dial tone kasi ready na kami for fiber, but it was a separate issue. Anyway, I want to commend Ann. Siya yung nag-handle sa amin kanina. In fairness kasi dati hindi kasi sila nagto-troubleshoot talaga. Pero kanina matyaga naman siya. Although I would say na sobrang robotic pa rin nilang pakinggan. If PLDT ever watches this, I hope na gawin nila yung improvement para sa mga call center agents na. So anyway, let's do this. It's not really anything spectacular. Let me just put this down. Ayun, natanggal ko na yung plastic. So, kung PLDT subscriber man kayo, they sent us this modem for free. So, kung matagal na sa inyo yung modem nyo na luma, I suggest you call PLDT. Papadala naman nila sa inyo to. No charges. So, this is already compatible sa both fiber and DSL. Sabi ko nga, hindi pa kami fiber ready, but they sent it anyway. So, I assume that once Santa Maria, Bulacan is fiber ready, bibigay naman nila yan. It'll just be plug and play. Let's have a look. Ayan, home fiber na nakalagay, so compatible na yan. And here it is. Another thing pala, it's already IPTV ready. I'm not sure kung meron na tayong IPTV dito sa Pilipinas, pero sa ibang bansa meron na yan. Australia especially, and America. Okay, so I'm not sure kung ganito na rin yung modem ng mga ibang fiber subscribers. I'll discuss the landline later. Bili namin yan. It is a ProLink brand, and from what I can see, dual band na rin to, so I assume this will have 5 GHz. Pretty good modem. And yeah, 4 Ethernet ports, internet, power, yes, tama ako. It's dual band, so it will have 2.4 and 5G, and meron na rin siyang WPS. And I assume meron na rin tong Ethernet ports, IPTV. Yeah, this is the DSL cable for IPTV. Naghahanap ako ng blue ports for the fiber to the premises type, pero mukhang wala pa. Yeah, so that's it. Let's do any, usual things. Phone cable, RJ45, Ethernet cable, power, and splitter. Yeah. Mamaya ako nagko-connect yan. Yeah. So, ito na rin yung matagal na actually naming binili to, but I'll just do a review on this. This is one of their classic headsets. If you're planning on buying this, I suggest you don't anymore kasi hindi actually maganda yung pagpindot ng buttons niya. Sometimes you press a few numbers here, magdo-double entry, and you'll have to start over again from the beginning, so that's not really a good thing. Anyway, and we were sales talked into buying this for, and they said it will only take 1 year to complete the payment, but it turned out to be 2 years, so not really happy about that, PLDT, but anyway, it's a good headset. Ano mo nung masabi? It's battery operated din. That's also a downside. It will still work kahit wala siyang battery, but the LED display sa gitna will not work kapag na-drain na yung batteries. And tatlong AAA ata ang gamit ito. Let's see. Yeah, tatlong AAA. Kinuha lang namin to kasi gusto namin yung design. So, kumaharte din kayo. You can buy it as well. I was actually expecting it to be the old style kind of telephone where you press something here and turn it around, but that wasn't the case. Anyway, that was the PLDT modem. I'll just show you guys the old one. I actually suggest everyone to have 2 of everything, like 2 phone cables, 2 phones, 2 modems, just in case you need to do troubleshooting. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, nagto-troubleshoot na sila, so that's really good. Sensya na sa kalat ng bahay. I'll just show you guys the old modem here. Yan. So that's our old modem. In all fairness naman sa PLDT, matibay naman yung modems nila. This has been with us for like 10 years already. So, nag-aaral pa ako sa high school noon, and up till now it's still good. So, I'll still be keeping this as a spare modem for further troubleshooting sa PLDT. Cool. Right. So, I hope this helped you guys. I'll also be posting this to YouTube, I think. Yeah. Kung swerte na kayo at meron na kayong fiber sa area nyo, very good. But dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan, I think 2016 pa sila nag-advertise at hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin available na connection. Kung bakit nila ginagawa yun, I don't know. Pero we don't really have much of a choice. Converge is not also available here yet, so yeah, we'll just have to stick with DSL until we finally get notice kung kailan available na ang fiber dito. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me just turn this. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be posting a new video once I get the Show Me album. I'll also be doing an unwrapping because I don't think that will come in a box. Thanks, and to my YouTube subscribers, I'm actually planning to do a new channel posting more content, so look forward to that as well. I'll be discussing more on Filipino, like Filipino lessons, like what I've done before, and I'll also be thinking of more content to upload. So thanks, have a good day.